Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto Filipino chicken adobo lettuce wrap. So first you're going to need a half cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 bay leaves, 5 to 6 cloves of minced garlic, and then 1 teaspoon of crushed black peppercorn. So I've got my washed chicken in this dish. It's about 2 pounds. I'm going to just mix this all together in here. Alright, now you want to let this sit for a minimum of 2 hours for the best flavor overnight. Alright, you want to heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil over medium-high heat. You can shred this a little bit more if you want. I'm going to throw it back in the pot, so it should come apart a little bit more as it cooks.
Yummy. So I got rice and kimchi for my Filipino food. Yay.
using chopsticks. No way.
Can I steal some of your kimchi?
Yeah. Of course.
So good. I'm gonna take some lettuce.
Sorry.
I'm gonna take some lettuce.
Did you try?
Blah blah blah, Beatles. I made a lettuce wrap. This is rice.
Good.
This is spicy. A little?
Did you try the kimchi?
It's good with kimchi.
It's not.
No, it's fine. Mm.
Dad.
We're having
Never
What is
take me.
Korean Filipino.
They never take me. Dad, let me tell you something. Dad, take a little bit of rice and put it inside a piece of lettuce.
It's really good.
Tiny. Maybe try a little bit more.
Very similar to the Adobo.
Very similar. Yummy!